What's up, guys? Brandon Chaden, BST Classics in Norwalk, Iowa. It is Tuesday, 10 o'clock at night. I've been down here since like 7:30 this morning. I don't normally come into the body shop, but there was a need and it's got to get done. Showed you guys the Jeep. Figure show you the updated progress. Check it out. So we got the firewall smoothed out. Getting all the body work caught up. Guide coating, I'm gonna call it a night because we got it pretty close. Rockers, cowl. That side had to do another skim coat. Start on this side tomorrow. And made my own little block for this guy by putting tape on here and then mudding it and then popping it off. Here, I'll show you guys real quick. It's pretty sweet. Boom. So when we go to block these, wah! Hit that like and subscribe. I am sleep deprived, so I probably don't make much sense, but hit that like and subscribe. Follow along, comment down below what you're working on. We're really trying to build up this channel. Comment what you want to see videos of. We got lots of them. So, see you guys later.